Other people want to eat too. Other people are struggling as well, just the same way una struggle. Right? Other people want opportunity just the way you have opportunity. So I have opportunity to make a little bread. Somebody else out there still struggling, still trying to find a job so that they can send their children to school. So please, when I have a look at discretion, right up there in the Wharf, have a look at discretion. In a sense, we say government or prime minister, this our government that I grew up, I hear these things are happening from me idea mini, and government has not made anything different. In fact, it's gotten worse. So at the end of the day, I'm not going to come on here and, oh, government this and government that. Listen, people, the ones that are working there, are uno me I talk to, use some discretion. And uno alone want to eat. And uno alone want to make a daily bread. Use some discretion. Use some discretion. That's all I'm going to say. But the few people that I will get to see and be able to use the balance of what is left to be a blessing, we will do it. But the real desire that we had, obviously, it cannot be met. But it is what it is. But for those of you that know how it goes, for those of you that are experiencing these things, my personal things are gone. I'm not really bothered about that. I'm not bothered. And I'm not bothered because, oh, may have it like that. No. The things them that was meant to give away, that hurt me more than anything else, because I know so there's somebody out there that desperately is in need. So that hurt me a lot more than my own personal stuff where we lose. Them going out with suitcase, them take the people them take so till them take all my daughter's underwear is what she's supposed to wear. Me have to come to Jamaica and come buy underwear. You can imagine? Like, seriously. Let me use it in discretion, but as I say, what hurt me the most is the stuff that we brought to give away to the kids that are in need, and to give away to the people that are left stranded in the infirmary, or people that are struggling, people that have, people at home that they're having to take care of that don't have it. In life, we must always try and remember the people that are less fortunate than us, because there's always somebody out there that is less fortunate. You might be complaining about your situation, but there's somebody else out there. There's somebody else out there that is struggling. When I'm going through my various different difficulties in life, I always tell myself that there's somebody else out there that is going through a lot more than I am going through. And that gives me the encouragement to have gratitude for the little that I have, and have the heart to say, you know what, let me help with the little that I have. So please, people, stop be greedy. Stop thinking about yourself alone. Start take some time to think about others, and the world would be a better place.
What's up, beautiful and amazing souls? So it's your girl Irene here, and in today's video we are going to talk about these shipping companies in Jamaica, the land we all love. So people have been complaining since time immemorial, and recently again someone else came out and talked about issues with the customs and everything. And also there is a video about black Chinese people that we are going to talk about. And I think it is a very good idea if we first start by listening to these videos, and then we come and do some commentary, or we do the analysis. Without further much ado, let's do the next video and start listening.
The people that work at Jamaican Wharf, come to the front line. Who know me come bout? Life is one big road with a lot of signs. Yeah, we got to make up. Good morning to all my beautiful ladies. Big up on the damn self. Panny Thursday morning. No, today Thursday I was there. Panny Wednesday morning. Manners and respect. Big up on yourself to my general. People. To the people that work at the Wharf at Jamaica. I come to talk about you this morning. Yeah. I come to light fire and a rock stone this morning. Yeah. Watch a prayer. You know I charge the people them too much money at Jamaica when they shipping and things. You know hear what me just telling you, sir? You know I charge too much money. And the money when I charge off it all broke. What? You don't think God do that? Why? Me say the money when I charge off it all broke. When me just say to you, I gotta repeat again. The people them at the Jamaican Wharf, the people them are sending things come at Jamaica and I charge them too much money for all broke. You don't know what all broke mean. Watch a prayer. You see, sometime the people them sending some things to their house. They're not brand new, my boss. We have a thing there for a name off our Facebook marketplace. We buy somebody, we have one lamb. We have $500 for it. We only pay $10 for it. A yard sale or a Facebook marketplace. And when they sit them come to Jamaica, you know, looking at the people them barrel and you have a problem with certain things. And you go up on the phone, you know, custom officer, and start look up and say, "A this cost, no, and that cost, my boss." You know, fi tappy. When the people them are telling how much them pay for them things, you know, fi believe them. How them are going to find receipt for some of the things them when them buy a yard sale and half a Facebook marketplace? You don't understand. Nobody, no man understand $500 and buy one lamb just to send so. Come to Jamaica unless you're rich. Me can understand the TV, then we buy the TV them brand new. But majority of the thing them, they not buy them new. From the, even the fridge, them buy a second-hand fridge. The same fridge you see there with the TV night or the one with the ice maker. When we so much stuff, people can buy one second one rebuild. For less than $500 US. So when the people them think come a yard, my boss, you know tap overcharge the people them for nothing. You know cut hole in the people them pocket for no reason. You understand? Some of the things them where the people them are sending for their house is not brand new. I know I charge them this bag of money, you know I look up, you know they run corner, you know go back and forth, you know have the people them a wait for charge them a bag of money. You know for tappy. A time for no come down. You understand? Because majority of the things that the people them send is not brand new. I can guarantee you. Couple things are brand new, yes. But the people them are sending things come at Jamaica. If set up their house or put in their house. And I charge them this bag of money for no reason. And talk to this cost and that. And I overcharge because want the people them left them things so someone who can get it. You see someone who people all want them custom, I saw their name custom officer. Someone who too bad mind against no own Jamaican. You know too bad mind because when another race bring in something, someone don't even bust the barrel. You know make them go on. Rascal when I want black man or a black woman and he look like he not used to nothing. In a phone or eyes. When you bust the barrel, this cost this. Sometimes some family members send out some barrel to them people. And you see them Jamaican have a problem with majority of the things them in there. Me not say they not pay then custom duty or pay certain things. But some man will overdo it. You know if come down, you know if tappy. You understand? Jamaican people no top fight against one another. Sometimes somebody might pack one barrel and send go give somebody who really want the help. When they go, they can't clear the barrel. Come like a left, no one and lefty. I don't want the things them in it if we can't go in a phone house. I must that. Because some of the money we no charge that make sense. For you all broke. Some of the things that people them buy off a marketplace, Facebook, half up. I know I charge them this bag of money. Jamaican people will walk and Wharf and if it come down and if it tappy. Or if it tap deal with no one Jamaican like dog shit. Go to some other place and other races. When them are shipping things, you think them are pressure them like how no pressure them? For everybody where they are Wharf a crafties. So the people them where they are foreign and send on the things, you have to understand this about Jamaica. You know? You see, if you don't know a road code, you know. If you don't know a road code, you don't go a town, you know. I take scissors and cut out the two hole in a phone pocket when they done with it, you know. Only God help you, you know. If you don't know a road code, you know. It's some simple thing, you know. When you done clear the barrel, everything you pay to clear the barrel depends on why night. You could have buy 10 times at Jamaica. Or if it tappy. So me want to know who control and oversee that all some of them look foolish where them are along with. Because it don't make no sense. You know, overcharge the people them a Wharf. And we know and when some people not use, and when you know things say some people don't know things, you know use no big words or no this or no that. So all of the people them overseas, let me tell you something. When you know send anything to Jamaica, you know prepare for the unexpected. Because you see, the man will come take up the barrel and carry in a truck where him a crawfish. The man will looking at your barrel, a crawfish. The custom officer, a crawfish. This man will tell us, say, yo, give me 110 grand. And when you give me 110 grand, I help you and start and make your thing come through quick. I got you. Security will tell you the same thing too. And this man a grown as I go tell him friends, oh, he just give me 10. Yo, alright, I go dig one 5 or 5 too. Then this man want to dig one. When they're done with you, God help you. So you know people work a Wharf on a tappy. Some might think them not brand new, you know, charge the people them too much money. You don't make the people them afraid for send things come to Jamaica. And some man just depends, cause you know say you look at some people and say, look like him not used to nothing, he come like us somebody. And I see the people them things in them barrel and they want it for no one house. So you do everything in no power for them lefty and can't clear it. You know if it come down. So all of the people them overseas, no matter where you're there. You see when you know I send on the things go to Jamaica, prepare for the unexpected. Because then thief at the Wharf, remember that. Me have a problem with them play them custom duty, you know, and pay for certain things, you know. But some of the things them is not brand new. And when they do, then go up on their phone, and if they see it on eBay or Amazon, and they say $1,000, then think 1,000. People no use on their head. Nobody now just take up $1,000 and buy some things in America, just so. Sometimes that has some people 2 week pay. Put another $400 on it, a 2 week pay that, and they have rent. So what the whole on work a Wharf, when you see that video here. And when you see me shipping, you know, me think, you don't know about that pressure me neither. Big up they have self. You understand? Manners and respect. And people, thanks for the support. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think, but when me don't say, and enough love. You understand? Big up on them self. Oh.
Ever since I made the video about the black Chinese guy and the black Chinese people, I have been receiving some message from Chinese people. I'm receiving some DMs from Chinese people telling me to be Chinese government officials or Chinese spies, telling me to take the video down. For some reason, I don't know why. So Chinese people know about black Chinese people, but they hid it from the world. Right now, they are telling me to take the video down or they will locate me and I don't know what they will do to me. But for study and research purposes, I will not take the video down. This is to tell you guys how black people or melanin or the black culture or African American culture has been hidden by China. Black Chinese has existed for many years in China, but the world did not know. The Chinese government pushed them deep into the mountains of China, secretly, unaliving them, reducing their numbers. Currently, most of the world did not even know that black Chinese exist till I made the post and till I made the video. And currently, they are telling me to take everything down. But guys, I'm sorry to tell you, I will not take the video down. I am here to educate everyone about the presence of black Chinese. Thank you.
Video. I said I wasn't gonna do this video, but I'm gonna do it because it's just been annoying me and just been weighing on my heart. And me know how things go at Jamaica. Me know say yeah, things go through Wharf and say things are going missing and all of them something. I understand that. I totally understand that. For my English speaking people, I'm gonna be really going in more into my dialect, my Patois dialect right now, because this one is serious. I just feel very heavy because of something that happened. And I just thought, let me share it. I know it's not going to make any difference to the things that are happening because people have been talking about this for a long time and nothing happened. The government don't do nothing about it. I mean, say everybody I try get a bread, but come on, man, people at the wharf, come on. I know uno alone hungry, I know uno alone a struggle, I know uno alone need things. So, guys, for those that know me or knows anything about my family, we always do little things to help, like children going back to school, and down at the infirmary in Westmoreland in Sablama, we always do our little bit, for just help where we can. And it's something that my nan, I grew up seeing my nan do, and it's something that I've had the desire to carry on and continuing to carry it on, if that makes sense. So my husband and I, we said we wanted to do a back to school giveaway whilst here in Jamaica. And so we got a few contributions from about 3 people. One being Lovina Brown. If anybody knows that great actress Lovina Brown that used to appear in the Jamaican plays, she resides in the UK now. She contributed some books because she knew a school that had some books. She helped to contribute some books. And myself and my husband, we went around on shopping. There's 2 other people that contributed financially to what we were buying, and we bought books. When I say books, I mean books, pens, pencils, or I would say pencil sets. So it has like the sharpener, the ruler, pen in there, pencil as well. We bought like geometry sets, different colors, both for girls and boys. We bought another type of geometry sets. I tried to get geometry sets that matches different ages, and we got some of these exercise books, some more exercise books, like, let me see if I can just turn the camera, but let me see if we can get a few more of them. As I said, loads of stuff and pens. There's just boxes here, guys, different books. So like these are for more like the infant school ages. Loads of reading books that the school can use to help track students reading. I found a shop that had these rulers that has the calculator on it as well, and I thought, oh my god, this is so amazing. When I say to you guys that I emptied the shop, I took every single one that was on the shelf and even asked them if they had more. People, believe me when I say to you, we were left with 1 in the pallet. We packed a massive pallet filled with books and pens and rulers and sharpeners. And the only thing different that was in there, we bought some like toothpastes and soaps and shaves and nappies for the infirmary in Savlamar, and for anybody, to be honest, anybody else that we saw that would be in need. This is the only one left of this type of ruler that I purchased. When I say I bought a whole ton of them, I mean, guys, I emptied the shop. Me not exaggerate, me empty the shop. Me take up every single color, every single last one what them have. Me even there ask them if they have more. They left me with just this one. Just this one alone, guys. Just this one alone we've been left with. Most of these exercise books, they've been taken. I think they left us with about 20 of the books. This, they left us with 3 packs. These are most of the pink one them leave. Most of the boy ones are gone in that pencil case thing. They took out the soaps. They left us with maybe about, I can't remember about how much toothpaste and toothbrushes that they left. But guys, when I came and I saw the palette, I thought, my god, like seriously, me can't understand if somebody don't go in and take out a few things, me get it. But come on, man, no. Come on. You don't have job. There's some people that are struggling. There's some people that have lost their job. There's some people that them not able to, them are struggle to find them way to send them kids back to school because them business mash up with burial. Burial destroy them business, or burial stop them work. Some of them are farmer, burial wipe out enough things for them. And we just do this to say, you know what, we can help and stop a gap. Is not the greatest thing, you know, but it can stop a gap. So when you're not going at the pallet and you're not take out, other one want to take out, and the most I want to sell, you're not going to sell it. And not even say you're not going there and take it out and say, you know what, I take out something for my kids. I could understand that, but the amount of them ruler here, what they have, Me know for a fact say you never whoever join and take it out, you never take it out for the kids alone. You take it out because you not go sell it. Listen, everybody has struggle. People are struggle. England people are struggle. America people are struggle. Everybody has struggle. Some people are in a position to do a bit more than others. So when you get a like, opportunity to do something, you not just go in and just wipe out everything and then you leave somebody else for not getting none. Come on, man, Jamaican, you need to do better. You need to do better. I never do this video because I like show my country in a one negative light. I tell you the truth because I love my country. I love Jamaica, right? I love my country. But come on, people, you must do better. Seriously, it really disturbed me. I mean, also these things happen. I don't want nobody come on and I say, listen, oh, you know how things go and whatever. Yeah, I know how things go. But at the same time, I know so sometimes people have a little conscience to say, you know what? Let me take few. But come on, take out, basically empty out the pallet. So they never listen from the city pallet pack say I know somebody ship it just for themselves alone. So come on, man, people, do better.
So I don't know if I should start with the guy or with the lady or with the Chinese story. Which one should we talk about first? But all of them talks about the same issue. The shipping companies. Imagine you're in America, Canada, or any developed country. And then you work hard because you want to support your people back at home. And remember, back at home, there are no opportunities. So you struggle, you go through a lot, you say, you know what, let me just send this package to my family back, or just to support people back in your own country or community. And then you put your goods in a ship or probably an airplane, goes to your country. But on arrival there, I mean, a lot of shenanigans go on. Because, you know, what's happening, according to the clips that you've listened to and a couple of more others, which I didn't actually bring on this particular video, is that these guys, the customs now, when a package arrives and then you want to pick it up, they actually check the price of these goods on the internet, probably Amazon, eBay, I mean, any source that can give them the price of this item. And then they look at it and then they tell you to pay like 3 times, 2 times more. And remember, there is a fee also there. So probably something that would have costed like $200 or 200 Jamaican dollars in Jamaica, it ends up costing like 400 or 600, which is not fair. So some people were like, I think it would be better if you just send money to your own people and then you know what, they just buy from Jamaica. Okay, I support it also, but again, I want us to focus on the road in these particular custom offices, in these particular ports, airports, because that is something that is not only happening in Jamaica, it happens all over the world. Currently, well, if you come from abroad, probably America or somewhere, just abroad, and then you go through our Kenyan airports. For us, we have people that we call Kenya Revenue Authority. They look at the value of the goods that you carry. I mean, even if it's an iPhone, you have to pay for it. And I'm like, what the hell? Let's go back anyway to Jamaica. So these goods that are being shipped to Jamaica, it does not necessarily mean that they are brand new. Some are second hand. You know, someone just, you know, decided to buy something, because I understand probably people don't use things or items, household items, for so long. There are these thrift shops where they check them, they sell, you know. And like, yeah, for us, we use most of our goods like for a very long time until, I mean, it just becomes valueless, you know. But for them, even the clothes that most of us wear here in Africa, they'll just wear it for some few months and then they, you know, dispose it to these particular thrift shops, and then they come to Kenya or anywhere in the world, anywhere in Africa or third world countries, and we get to buy them, and that's what's happening. So this thing is not only affecting like individuals or families, but also people that are trying to support vulnerable Jamaicans or those that are in need. In the case of this particular lady from the video that we just watched, this lady and the husband, they really wanted to support the less privileged peoples in Jamaica. So what they did is to talk to a couple of, you know, sponsors, and some of the sponsors are in America, are in Europe, and you know, they agreed to support them and sent some packages for the children, only for these packages to come off or some are taken. Things are just getting lost. And in these videos, if you follow up on them, because you know these videos you get them from public domain, if you look at the comment section, you know, Jamaicans are really angry. They're like, oh my god, at least you're speaking about this issue, because I've always been so angry. And imagine these custom officers, they are too greedy. According to these videos, comments and all, they are too greedy. You would even think that they don't get paid, but hey, they are getting paid. But the most insane thing is that they double the prices of these goods, of these items, as if all of them are brand new, but they're not brand new. I mean, suppose there was no corruption, honestly speaking, I'm imagining how these countries would look like. You know, people will be living in a lifestyle that, you know, is so cool. I mean, you understand? If there was no corruption, we will be living in a better environment, better life, better everything. But now corruption, the thing with corruption, it makes the poor become more poorer and the rich more rich. I don't know, what do you think about that, guys? Have you ever experienced this issue in anywhere in the world? Maybe you are a Kenyan living abroad, you are a Tanzanian living abroad, a Jamaican living abroad, you know, maybe you're from St. Kitts, Cayman Islands, and you live abroad. Do you prefer sending goods, items to your families back at home, or you would rather send them money so that they can buy from the other side? You know, there's a comment that I saw, something that they bought at $150 in America. Or probably let's talk about Jamaican dollars, because yeah, we are talking about the impact of these shipping companies. And you know, there's something that I'm confused here. Should we blame the shipping companies or the custom officers? Because also someone was like, I used FedEx, the company, to transport my goods or to ship my goods, but on reaching Jamaica, they told him that you need to add this amount so that, you know, your package can be delivered. And remember, while on the other side of the world, the person was not told to pay anything else, and it ended up being, I mean, extremely expensive. Oh my god. This world, I don't know if it will ever be balanced, or let's just say this world, no balance at all. And I don't know who to blame. Is it the government? Is it that they're not paying these custom officers well? Is it the greediness of the custom officers? I mean, where do you think is the problem? You can imagine you are going to the port to pick your items, and then this officer looks at probably this phone and then goes online on his phone or her phone and checks what's the cost of this phone at the current rate, and then probably they see like it's around $500, and they tell you to pay $1,000 plus other fees, so $1,050, and you're like, I think it's even better if I just leave this item and go buy my own in our Jamaican market. But I think at the same time, it will, okay, if it was me, I would be like, I think you just want this item, because why would you overcharge me? So anyway, so many people have complained. So many of them have complained about the custom officers. And we have had a couple of confessions, security personnel or former security personnel coming out to say, you know what, I used to work there, and yeah, that's exactly how they work, they overcharge. Honestly, as black people all over the world, we should think about supporting ourselves. We should think about, you know, unity, because with the unity, it's very easy for us to develop. It's very easy for us to live a good life. It's very easy for us, you know, to climb the ranks. But now it seems like we are oppressing ourselves left, right, center, and, you know, I mean, making ourselves feel inferior is one of the worst things that has ever happened on this planet. So at this point, I want us to talk about the black Chinese. Oh my god, guys, there's a guy that came out and was like, he did a video about the black Chinese, and all he received was threats left, right, center, telling him to delete. And I was like, is it a crime to be black? Black, is it a crime to be black? Tell me in the comment section. So we have black Chinese people, but they're not accepted. I mean, these guys, they were taken deep into the mountains of China, and then, you know, unalived, some of them, just because they did not want blacks in China. They wanted only to be identified as white people, white Chinese, if that makes sense, or Chinese. What's wrong with black guys? I don't see any problem. You know, there is a clip that I saw from 1940, and a child in America was asked, who's the bad person? And there were a couple of dolls on the table, and all these colors that represent human, you know, were there. There was black, there was chocolate, there was brown, white. I mean, all the colors of the world when it comes now to human beings. And everything that is associated or sounded bad, this child would point the black only. Who is the bad child? Who is the dumb child? Who is the stupid child? Who is the bright child? They will choose, you know, the white. And that's what, you know, the colonizers did to program children while growing up, that black is bad, black is this, black is that. And on this other side of, you know, when they were in Africa colonizing us, they made us feel inferior and made themselves feel superior. And that was done by, you know, the services that were being offered. Number one, they will see that, you know, for white children, they're going to attend this and this type of schools. For black children, they're going to go to this and this type of schools. And the white school was better than the black schools. I mean, everything was better. So we have grown up as Africans knowing that, you know, we don't deserve the best. And we grew up in such a way that we always want to have this white, you know, what the whites have, the experience. But the real sense is we are all the same. We are all the same, and that is why they introduced desegregation after segregating us like for so long. And then they see like, oh, the black people are doing better, and since we don't want to be viewed as this, you know, stupid and inferior and all that, let us abolish segregation. And then, you know, pretending like they love us, and now everything we will attend, we will go to the same hospitals, we will go to the same school, we will actually do like the same job. It's because, you know, the blacks are really, really bright people. Even if you see the inventions, most of it are associated to black people. But anyway, we have a lot to learn from this particular, you know, these particular stories that are happening left, right, center. So what I'll do is do more research on the black Chinese people, and kindly expect it in the next video that we are going to do, because it really sounds interesting. Like, why would the Chinese do such kind of a story or do such kind of a thing? I hope I won't receive any threats like this person, the video from the video that you just watched. He received some threats that you need to delete this video. You don't need to tell the world that black Chinese ever existed on this world. Oh my God, I feel so sad that that's how the world treats the black person, or anything that is just black. You can imagine we are all the same, from the mind, from how we do our things, but anyway, let me end my video at this point. I really hope you loved the video. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.